Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to create group chat on Facebook Messenger app. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Messenger app on our phone and click on the pencil icon located at the top right corner of your screen, second option. And as you can see, there is already an option to create a new group. Just click on that. And here you can choose who you would like to add. Or you can search a specific person to add. And after you already chosen all the person that you would like to add on a group and you want to add a group name, you just need to click on group name and add a group name. And once that's done, you just need to click on create to create the group chat. And that's it. That's how you create a group chat on Facebook Messenger app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!